Welcome back, guys, to another market breakdown. So guys, I was supposed to have showed you guys a market breakdown last week, but I was waiting for gold to play out, right? So as you can see, guys, from my previous market breakdown, while the market was still playing around this area, I was stated that we were looking for pushes up, break, and continue, right? So the first wave, the market did what? It did push up, it broke even to this area, but the market broke back, right? So it took us out, and then the market played back again, giving us another entry area at the same level, right? So as you can see now, the market has been playing here for like 2 weeks now, 2 or 3 weeks has been playing. And then, like I stated in the previous market breakdown, that we are looking for swing trades for gold. So right now, the market broke back, triggered the second entry. We want to see it close up this whole position right here. Then this setup is officially complete. So from our previous market breakdown, we have all three setups played out that I'm going to cover right now. Then we had gold on neutral, right? So gold has been on neutral. Indices have been moving for quite some time. They've been creating other forms of patterns, right, which we'll touch base onto right now. So right now we're looking for the market to play and continue going up, right, potentially creating a new trend, right, creating a whole new trend. All right, so right now we're not going to create that whole trend because we want to see what the market is going to do. So it's been holding, it's been playing here for quite some time, guys. Like I said, this is a swing trade. So this is how the potential new setup might play out, right? So right now we're just going to wait and see in terms of what's going to happen with gold. Then we'll discuss the outcomes, right? So as you can see, the first position, the market created a market manipulation, took us out, and we still caught it at the same area. Cool. So now we're going to Nasdaq. So Nasdaq is actually what I'm looking to trade soon. So guys, Nasdaq, let me show you something quickly. So Nasdaq, we have a nice beautiful daily trend right here, right? We have a nice beautiful daily trend. The market broke out of this trend when Donald Trump was starting to announce tariffs and stuff. So it caused the market to crash. So the market crashed, bounced back from the 2022 high, and market pushed back up, right? So right now, this is interesting because if the market breaks back into the daily trend, we can expect the market to continue pushing up, which might take probably the whole year or until next year too, right? So that's a long-term prediction. If it respects this trend because it broken out, if it respects this trend just to come and retest, then we can expect the market to go down, right? So there's two options that could potentially happen right now. We're at a crossroads with gold in terms of the daily time frame. So when you're looking in smaller time frames like the 4 hours, we can see that the market is playing within a consolidation. The market is playing within this consolidation right here, right? It's playing within this consolidation, and right now it created a triple bottom, right? It created a triple bottom. The only reason why I'm not going to enter this trade is simply because the market broke out of this 4-hour trend right here. Broke out of this 4-hour trend, which is highlighted in green. It broke out of this trend. If the trend was here, then possibly if it would have broken back in here, I was going to kill this trade one time, and potentially the market would break, retest, and go up. But right now the trend is not like that. The market broke out of this trend, so it can give us a double confirmation that the market might go back down. So right now, Nasdaq, I wouldn't do anything at this particular point, but if the market does continue, we will look for entries when the market creates new highs, right? When the market breaks here and create new highs. So this area right here, I'm just going to leave it as it is because, like I stated, I only enter the market when I have high probability setups. So let me just quickly go into my Facebook account quickly to show you the trade that I took, right? So this was the trade that I took for Nasdaq. That was 5 days ago, right? This is the trade that I took, those buys, and I closed it early. As you can see there's like, hey, I'm gonna take profit. So this was basically when let's just go to a smaller time frame. It was when the market bounced back in here and I decided to close here because why? This area is a bit tricky, guys. So I didn't want to full swing it because, hey man, my instinct said I should wait and let the market decide, because this is an area where the market is likely gonna trap a lot of either buyers or sellers. So if I did actually hold it until up there, it would have wiped me eventually. So I decided to close and post my status and I was out. So right now I'm going to wait, but it could buy. If it buys, the reason why I would buy is because of this triple bottom right here, and the market has been consolidating, right? So you can complete this or break it and continue. This could just be a whole consolidation, then an impulse move, right? It could be a correction and an impulse move. If it sells, we have this daily support here whereby the market can play here and go down, and the market broke out of this 4-hour trend that I just showed you guys, right? So there's enough bias on sells and enough bias on buys, so it's neutral. This is why I'm not going to enter or anything like that. S&P 500 looks exactly like Nasdaq, but it is more clear. It's more clear. But also the problem with S&P 500 is that the market has broken out of this trend, right? So the market has broken out of the 4-hour trend. Now onto the brush. So the market has broken out, so it can just continue going down, right? Or the market might complete this triple bottom similar. And if it does, we can expect the market to break, retest, and go up, right? So the best spot to enter this, it would be here. If it breaks past this consolidation, gives us those retests, not just a break, we need a retest. And then we can go in for those killer entries. But from here, hey, it's too neutral, and I don't like taking trades that are neutral. I only focus on high probability setups, right? Let's go to US30. So US30 looks way better than everything else. So we killed this trade, and right now the market is breaking through this trend. And also this is more highly possible that it might play out than a Nasdaq and S&P. Let me show you why. We have a triple bottom, we have a trend, and the market broken out of this trend. It's a breakout structure, right? So we trade within a trend and we trade breakout structures, right? So we have a triple bottom, and if it respects, this is more likely this move might play out, right? This is highly likely. So this is a move that I would entertain and wait for pushes to go to the upside. Possibly even break this, right? Possibly even break it. But to play it safe, a close here would be beneficial. A close right about here would be beneficial. So now we'll just see what the market does, and I'll see you guys on the next one.